Ok, on est le 14 janvier 2023 et on se prépare pour le mariage à Brooke. On a le hair station, les filles arrangent les bouquets, make-up in the back, the photographers just got here. Ça va être une vraiment belle journée. Brooke in the back, the star of the show. So everyone's really excited, everyone's really nervous, but it's gonna be a beautiful day. On a mis du make-up waterproof parce que c'est ça.
Like an afterthought, what we felt inside.
Yeah? Yeah, good nervous. Good nervous. Maid of honor, Marissa.
Yeah.
How are you feeling?
Good.
Yeah.
Excited.
What are you most excited about today?
To watch her walk down the aisle.
Oh my gosh, for sure. Oh my gosh. Mother of the bride, Trudy.
I am very calm and I'm very excited.
That's perfect. That's what we want. What is it? Oh, he did. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. If you were to describe your dress in 3 words, what would you say?
Elegant, simple, original.
Yes, definitely. Vraiment bien. I can't wait to see you in it. Oh my gosh.
You showed how you were mine. We took our time where the walls don't speak. On 14
We're here. Is that a video? Shit. J'ai dit, elle aura pas le temps de prendre une photo. Flash les clés.
Tu pensais tu couper tes cheveux aujourd'hui, Steph?
You make it cut. Il faut ce qu'il faut.
Ouais, c'est
Make
ça.
it happen. All in.
14 wash was
Hi, Brooke. It's your wedding day. I hope it's the best day you've ever had. And I hope that I can make it as special as I can. And I love you very much.
Today is the big day, a year of planning, a lifetime of dreaming, and I couldn't be happier for you and Ollie, and I wish you a wonderful, wonderful day. Happy, happy memories to be made, lots of fun, lots of laughing, and a lifetime of love. Oh wow, hey Brooke?
It's really everything I asked for.
So eucalyptus and everything, Brooke, look.
Oh,
forget. When I go to the altar, no return. So let's raise a glass and toast Brooke and Ollie to have a long and happy life together, filled with beautiful memories. To Brooke and Ollie, cheers. Cheers.